ये है कमाल बीजीएम का. The nominees for best background score are.
नहीं.
Best
पहली बार कर रहा हूं.
background score are Chhava A.R. Rahman, Dhurandhar Shashwat Sachdev, Haq Sandeep Chawla, Homebound Naren Chandavarkar, Benedict Taylor, Sayyara John Stewart Edwin.
And to present this award, we'd like to invite Seema ji and Manoj Pawar ji.
Two of my favorite actors, ladies and gentlemen.
तो बेस्ट बैकग्राउंड स्कोर शाश्वत सचदेव धुरंधर.
Shah, this is for you and for all the fights we have had in the studios. You've done a brilliant job. Thanks.
अरे सर, congratulations. धुरंधर इतने अवार्ड जीत रही है, इतनी सारी ट्रॉफी है सर. ये ले लीजिए सर. पूरे नहीं आएंगे एक में. लेके जाइए सर. टिल्लो खबर है. अरे बाबा साहब, सीमा जी.
Thank you so much. Hello. कैसे हो? Thank you so much, सीमा जी and मनोज.
हल्का हो गया. थैंक यू सो मच.
मेरा भी दिल हल्का हो गया जावेद अंकल. थैंक यू.
जी चले फिर यारों वाली बात करें. मैं कहता हूँ कुछ प्रोग्राम को बातचीत बहुत हो गई. प्रोग्राम को आगे बढ़ाते हैं.
अवार्ड दे, कुछ अवार्ड दे. चलो
आइए.
चलो इसको मैं बंद कर देती हूँ.
जी कर दीजिए. चलिए
चलो. वो जावेद अंकल लाइव है, जल्दी चलो.
आइए. वैसे फरार में काफ़ी म्यूज़िकल लोग हैं. मैं तुमको देखा तो ख्याल आया जैसा संगीन गाना लिखता हूँ और ये दर्द डिस्को जैसे रंगीन गानों पे नचाती हैं लोग.
दर्द डिस्को भी आपने ही लिखा था जावेद अंकल.
अरे हाँ, रेंज कहते हैं फरार. कीप अप होमी.
ओके.
हाँ,
बात तो सही है जावेद अंकल. तो चलिए देखते हैं इस साल कौन से लिरिसिस्ट ने क्या कमाल का रेंज दिखाया. Here are the nominees for best lyrics.
The nominations for the best lyrics are Irshad Kamil, Gehra Hua, Dhurandhar, Gulzar, Ul Jalul Ishq, Gustakh Ishq, Varun Grover, Yaar Mere, Homebound. Irshad Kamil, title track Sayyara, Javed Akhtar, Bande, Superboys of Malegaon.
To present this award, we would like to invite Shilpa Rao and R.S. Prasanna on stage.
Okay, the winner is okay, it's my song. Gulzar Saab for Ul Jalul Ishq, Gustakh Ishq. Yes.
Gulzar Saab is not been able to be here, so
You
it's an
can give
honor
it to
and
Javed.
privilege.
You can give it to Javed uncle.
It's an honor and privilege to be receiving this on behalf of Gulzar Saab, and thank you Manish and thank you Vibhu for giving us this film. Thank you very much.
Congratulations.
भाई बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो. उनको दे दीजिए आगे. अपने घर मत रखिएगा, दे दीजिएगा अवार्ड जाके. ठीक है.
ब्यूटिफुल लिरिक्स आर जस्ट द बिगिनिंग. गाने में जान डालते हैं हमारे अमेजिंग प्लेबैक सिंगर्स. Here are the nominees for Best Playback Singer Male.
The nominations for the Best Playback Singer Male are Jubin Nautiyal, Barbaad, Sayyara. Arijit Singh, Dhun, Sayyara. Hanuman Kind, Sudhir Yaduvanshi, Shashwat Sachdev, Mohammad Sadiq. Title track Dhurandhar, Dhurandhar. अरिजीत सिंह, शाश्वत सचदेव, अरमान खान, गहरा हुआ, धुरंधर. फहीम अब्दुल्ला, टाइटल ट्रैक सैयारा, सैयारा.
और इसे प्रेजेंट करने के लिए हम बुलाना चाहते हैं अनु मलिक जी को.
हाय फरहान.
हेलो अनु.
आप जावेद साहब नहीं है, मेरी नजरें जानती हैं. जावेद साहब मेरे दिल में हैं, मुझे पहचानती हैं. आदाब जावेद साहब. एक ही है सामने, ताली बजाओ जावेद साहब के लिए.
क्या बात है. अनु ने आते ही आग लगा दी, आग लगा दी, आग लगा दी.
वो तो बिल्कुल. बेस्ट प्लेबैक सिंगर मेल, वेल इट हैड टू बी, इस लड़के ने कमाल कमाल गाया. फहीम अब्दुल्ला फ्रॉम सैयारा.
ओहो.
So again, I have a story. When I met Fahim, he kept giving exams again and again, and I kept asking him, what are you giving these exams for? And he said, sir, I don't know what is going to happen with my career. I don't know if I'm going to be successful. They were working on Atul Setu, both him and Arsalan, before this film happened. And now winning this award just validates the fact that you don't need to get that job. You're going to be successful in this world. Thank you everyone for this.
Congratulations, Mohit.
Congratulations.
थैंक यू.
आपका.
और अगला अवार्ड है जो बहुत ही अच्छा अवार्ड है, बेस्ट प्लेबैक सिंगर फीमेल.
वाओ.
और उसके लिए नॉमिनीज देखते हैं कौन है. भी दिखाइए जरा.
The nominations for the Best Playback Singer Female are Shilpa Rao, Barbaad, Sayyara. Parampara Thakur, Humsafar, Sayyara. Shreya Ghoshal, Qaide Se, Metro in Dino. Jasmine Sandless, Madhubanti Bagchi, Shararat, Dhurandhar. Shreya Ghoshal, title track Sayyara, Sayyara.
And to present this award, we would like to call on stage Amal Malik and Yuvika Chaudhary.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. So the Chetak Screen Awards 2026 Best Playback Singer Female goes to. नहीं बोलूं? I'm the happiest when she gets an award.
Shreya Ghoshal.
For which movie? She's nominated in.
अच्छा बहुत गानों में nominated, sorry.
हाँ.
Shreya Ghoshal for Sayyara title track from Sayyara.
मोहित तू स्टेज पे ही रह जा. उतारी मत.
I don't have a story now, but Shreya has been no less than a star. She's contributed to my career right from my first film to now. When in doubt, Shreya, you've always won this for me. Thank you so much.
रुक जाना यहीं. म्यूजिक अवार्ड्स खत्म नहीं हुए हैं.
हर साल एक ऐसा गाना आता है जो हर जगह बजता है, रेडियो पे, शादियों में, हर
और
जगह.
सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट सोशल मीडिया वीडियोस में.
जी हाँ, जो अर्ज किया है, सीरीज से ज़्यादा दिलीप चिल्लाती हैं फराह की कार. द नॉमिनीज ऑफ बेस्ट सॉन्ग आर.
वाह. On Javed Akhtar level, you have said.
The nominations for the best song are Barbad, Sayyad, The Rish. Title track Dhurandhar, Dhurandhar, Shashwat Sachdev, Charanjit Ahuja. Gehra Hua, Dhurandhar, Shashwat Sachdev. Humsafar, Sayyad, Sachet Parampara. Title track Sayyad, Sayyad, Tanishq Bagchi, Fahim Abdullah, Arsalan Nizami.
And to present this award, we would like to invite Divya Datta and Ramesh Torani on stage.
And the Screen Best Song Award goes to Sayyara title track, Tanishq Bagchi, Fahim Abdullah, Arsalan Nizami.
Hi everyone. Thank you, Screen Awards, for this. I'm really nervous today. The only person that I think I want to thank, and he knows it why, is Mohit Suri sir. And I was going through a lot of depression, like 2 years. Tell you honestly, it happens, because I'm a musician, so थोड़ा emotional हूँ, and गिरता पड़ता रहता था, and I was not able to work at all. So I called up Mohit sir in the middle of the night, and I told him, sir, if you have a story where you want to end it in a happy note for a true lover, if you love somebody so much and then you lose that person, you give up hope, on love. And Mohit sir came to me. He was in his shoot, and he told me, Tanishq, you're meant to do music. So your first and your last love should be music. And I followed it. And then we created Sayyara. So thank you, sir, for this. And I want to also thank my co-composers, Fahim Abdullah, who is not here, he's sick, and Arslan. Without them, I think it wasn't possible for me. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone.
Congratulations,
Thank you, Sureen.
Congratulations.